Have you ever wondered how computers become so smart? How can a phone recognize your voice? Or how does Netflix know what movies you might like? The answer is machine learning. Machine learning is like teaching a computer to learn from experience. Instead of programming every single rule, we feed the computer lots of data. The computer then finds patterns in this data. It uses these patterns to make predictions or decisions. Imagine a child learning to identify a cat. We don't give them a long list of cat features. They learn by seeing many cats. Computers learn in a similar way. They find patterns in data, just like the child learns cat features. This may sound complicated, but it's happening all around us. Every time you use your phone, shop online, or stream music, machine learning is at work. Let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine you're teaching a computer to distinguish between apples and oranges. You show it hundreds of pictures of apples and oranges labeled correctly. The computer studies the pictures. It looks at their shapes, colors, and sizes. Over time, the computer starts to notice differences. It learns that apples are usually rounder. It learns that oranges have a brighter orange color. Now, if you show the computer a new picture of an apple or orange, it can guess what it is. It uses the patterns it learned from the previous examples. Machine learning is like having a smart helper that never gets tired. It's used in many applications that make our lives easier. Recommendation systems. Services like Netflix and Amazon use machine learning to suggest movies or products you might like. They analyze your past choices and recommend similar items. Voice assistants, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use machine learning to understand your voice commands. They convert your words into text and respond accordingly. Medical diagnosis. Machine learning helps doctors diagnose diseases earlier. By analyzing medical images and patient data, algorithms can detect patterns that humans might miss. These are just a few examples. Machine learning is being used in almost every field, from finance to transportation to entertainment. Machine learning is a powerful tool. It has the potential to solve some of the world's biggest challenges. It can help us fight diseases, predict natural disasters, and create a more sustainable future. However, like any powerful tool, it's important to use it responsibly. We need to make sure that machine learning algorithms are fair, unbiased, and transparent. The future of machine learning is full of possibilities. As we continue to learn and explore, we can unlock even greater potential for good.